Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add border to your video in CapCut PC. It's so easy. First of all, you just need to open the video where you want to add the border. So this is the video right here. I'll just drag this video to CapCut PC software just like so. Once you do that, you need to select the video. Then here you need to come up to video option and just select the basic, and right here we need to scroll a bit till the end and you'll see the option canvas. So just open this drop down and here we need to select none option. Here you can see that, and here just select color and just choose the color of your border. I'll just choose white for this video. Once you do that, again we need to scroll it up and here just reduce the scale of your video so that you can see the border. Once you're happy with this border, just right click on your video clip. Here you'll see the option create compound clip. Just click on it, and once you do that, you can just select the video, and if I try to zoom out my video, you will see that the border is staying with the video. So under this video you can just add any clip you want, and yeah, that's it. You can add border to your video in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.